another single apartment. This one's got a dividing wall, so you can have it single, you can have it separated, sorry. The living area is separate for the bedroom area. And it's got a small kitchen as well over here. Kitchen, microwave, electric kettle, shower, toilet, and washing basin. This one's quite good because it's split off. I think maybe where it's divided, we'll maybe put up a panel and totally separate it from the bedroom. We'll do that maybe next week. The boys have cut the rice. But this one you can rent for 490 baht a day. And if you need an extra bedroom, you can have an extra bedroom. It can be a 2-bedroom, so there's no problem. And it's got a super large kitchen, 20 metres away. And private parking, and there's a garage. Okay, I'll show you the kitchen. 1 minute. It's got 3 washing machines as well, so if you need to wash and dry clothes, that's no problem. I'll show you the kitchen. Kitchen's in here. It's actually night time now, so I've been working all day, so I'll show you the kitchen. But the kitchen's good. Microwave, fridge, pots and pans, all the stuff you need here. It's a dining room at the back of it as well, if you want a dining room. It's a massive big room here. And kitchen. Cooker and the small ovens and rice cookers, microwave. So that one you can rent it per day. If you want for a week, 5 times 35, they say 2,900 baht a week. I can give it for that. I'll give you a quick look again. And there's private parking. It's got a swimming pool as well at the back of the kitchen. And private parking, undercover parking, included in the price. And if you want a barbecue, that you can do a barbecue. But at night time, tomorrow I'll add a few things to maybe nice pictures above the bed and a picture over here in the living room area. I'll do a couple of jobs. Okay, so if you're interested, you can give me a message, just send a message, or I'll put the email address in the description down below.